Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome back to the science class for the grade 4. This is lesson number 3, Safety First, part 2. In the previous video, we have studied about the importance of safety and we have learned some safety rules to be followed at home, in the kitchen, then safety from electric shock, safety at school, safety on the road, safety at the playground, and safety at the swimming pool. So, in today's video, we shall be discussing about the first aid and some steps or some tips to be followed in case of any emergency or in case of any accident. Which rules and which methods we should follow, we will see that. So, let's see first what is first aid. When a person gets injured or suddenly falls sick, okay, when a person gets injured or suddenly falls sick, he needs an immediate help. The emergency treatment given to an injured or a sick person before the regular medical aid is available is called first aid. So if, when a person gets uh, any accident or if he falls sick, so for his immediate help, whatever the initial steps, initial treatment we take at home, or when we provide some help to him before arrival of the doctor, so this thing is called first aid. Okay, so this treatment given to an injured person before arriving a doctor is called first aid. The safety rules teach us how to stay safe and prevent accidents. So with safety rules we have learned at different places, it prevents us from accidents and it on the other hand, the knowledge of first aid helps us to handle emergency. Hmm? First thing, we have to be very careful. We have to follow safety rules and all. But if a person gets some accident or if someone gets emergency situation, so in this situation, first aid helps us to handle it. Okay. While giving first aid, we should not be panic first. Hmm? We should stay calm ourselves and also calm down the injured person. First of all, we should stay calm and then we should also calm down the person who got injured. Okay, at home we should have a handy first aid box. This type of first aid box we should have it at home handy. Hmm? Then this first aid box should contain items such as band-aid, antiseptic lotion, uh, cotton bundle lotion, cotton gauge, scissors, and some lotions or tablets, whatever the things we need in emergency. All these things we should keep in first aid box. So, in case of an emergency, first aid can prevent a person's condition from worsening. It can even save a person's life. Each emergency requires a different first aid treatment. Let us look at the first aid given to in some common emergencies. For different situations, we need some different methods of giving first aid. So let's learn it. So children, in case of minor burns, if a person gets a minor burn or hand or finger or somewhere, so in this case, what we should do? So in case of minor burns, these minor burns may be caused from hot objects, hot water, and sometimes because of fire. If the burn is minor, put the burnt area under running water, under tap water, or soak it in ice cold water. So, for the burn part, what we should do? We should keep in ice water, cold water. When the burning sensation has subsided, gently apply an antiseptic cream. In case of severe burns, take the person to hospital immediately. If a burn is minor, we can treat at home by applying first ice, then antiseptic lotion. Then, if it is not curing or it is serious matter, then we should immediately take the person to hospital. Now we will see in case of minor cuts. It happens mostly with children. Minor cuts. Wash the cut or wound with clean water and apply an antiseptic lotion over it. If needed, put a bandage over the cut. For the minor cuts, first we should wash it properly. We should apply antiseptic lotion or we can tie band-aid over it. Okay. In case of insect bite or sting, okay, sometimes because of honeybees or because of any other insect, children may get insect bite. So in this case, an insect bite or sting may cause redness, itching, pain, and swelling also it can cause. Wash the affected area with soap and water. Rub eyes on it and apply an antiseptic lotion. If the insect stinger is available, take the help of an elder to get it removed. So then it will be cured. Now, in case of fainting, so what is fainting? Fainting may occur due to reduced blood supply to the brain. Hmm? If any person faints, so take the following steps. Do the following. Make the person lie flat on his back. If a person gets fainted, so first what we should do, make the person lie flat on his back. Then allow fresh air around the person. Allow allow it to get fresh air. Loosen the tight clothing of the person. If a person is wearing tight clothes, then loosen it. Check to see that the person is breathing or not. We should check that. Then raise the legs of the person above the head level. This will allow blood flow in the brain. So by doing this method, if the person does not recover, take him to the doctor. Okay. In case of food poisoning, what first aid we should take? Food poisoning is caused by eating contaminated food. Okay. Let the person take small sips of water. If a person gets food poisoning and getting vomitings and dehydration, so let the person take small sips of water first. Avoid giving the person tea or coffee. Don't give tea or coffee to that person. Do not give the person fried, greasy, spicy, sweet, and solid food until vomiting stops. Okay. Give the person oral dehydration solution, that is ORS solution. Or we can mix sugar and salt to a glass of water. We can mix it well and we can give to the person. Or which ORS solution is available ready made, that also we can give. Do not give any medicine without asking the doctor. So in case of food poisoning, we should take these steps as first aid. Okay. So by using these methods, by following the first aid methods of giving these treatments, person can get cured. If the situation is not in our control, then we should take it to hospital. Okay. So first is aid methods are very important to learn and to be followed. We can give this treatment in emergencies. It can save the life of a person. Okay. So children, that's it for today's video. We have completed this lesson uh, in today's video. In the next video, we will discuss about its main points and textbook exercises as well, and question answers we will discuss. Okay. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.